Yeah, I'll take picture.
I don't know.
Come on, can you bring this? Wow. We're going to Kaliraya Resort. Here. Look at that. My husband, Ronaldinho. The very patient and loving husband to her ambisyosa and attitude wife. Oops. Yeah. Come on. Let's go. Oh my god. We need to take care. Careful, Daddy. Oops. Wow. Okay, yeah, sure. I don't know. Ay, Daddy. Ano na.
Okay.
Come on. Oh, come on.
It's broken.
Yeah. Give me the, give me the one and the helmet. And then you bring this.
It's broken. Look.
Yeah, I know. I just saw it. Give me that bag.
You just put. It's not.
Yeah, you bring it. Can you bring this?